Good afternoon, good evening, good day. A few days ago, I put up a video titled Bitcoin in Nigeria. And the point of the video was to say how important Bitcoin was. I used Nigeria as an example because people trade it. I've said numerous times, and I've probably made videos. I can't keep track of all the videos in my head. I'm sorry, I try. Should really start writing stuff down, but I don't. That Bitcoin is important because it's from the people. We need an alternative to government issue currency. That's why Bitcoin was created in the first place. It was created so that people can trade without the government's involvement, which is exactly why governments hate it. Government does not want anybody in their business because it will devalue their own currency. And the SEC, which was developed to keep people's investments safe and to make sure that everybody plays by the level playing field, even though they still don't, but that's the idea. Like the idea that that law is supposed to be about justice, well, it's really not. The idea between the SEC is to keep your money safe. And like the cops, where people get annoyed by them, but yet when you have trouble, you call them. The SEC is an annoyance until your money gets ripped off. Short answer. So that's why the SEC is trying to shut down Coinbase because they're operating as an illegal exchange from their point of view. So basically, and of course they differ, and I already talked about that. So now I said that Bitcoin is important. I said Bitcoin's not going away and that people need it, and they need it for the reason that we do need a currency that's universal, which is absent of government intervention, because things come up. And it's not perfect, but nothing in this world ever is. Well, I seem to be invalidated just yesterday, 2 days after the video. I'm not taking any credit for this, but I just looked at the facts and I saw what they were. Blackrock, which is an investment company, over 35 years experience, started in 88, over $8 trillion in assets, filed with the SEC to do a Bitcoin ETF. Now, an ETF, an exchange-traded fund, is different than a mutual fund and different than a stock. It allows you to participate by owning something but not owning it directly. A lot of weird rules, I'm not getting into them, but that's what it is. So an investment company with 35 years of experience believes Bitcoin is here to stay, and their clients want to invest in Bitcoin, and rather than give the money to somebody else, they would like to introduce ETF so that they can get the money from them investing Bitcoin. Their partner listed in this is Coinbase, because again, like I said in my other video, Coinbase knows what they're doing. I read Kings of Crypto, good book, shows you not just about Coinbase, how they started, but gives you an idea into venture capitalism and the companies that invest in venture capitalism and things like that. So I put up the video stating my fact, just using one fact in Nigeria because I could do that for hours, and we like short videos on YouTube. Yesterday, BlackRock agrees with what I read, not that they called me, but the facts were there. Now, it's a long haul for an ETF to be, and the SEC has already stopped other people from introducing it. But BlackRock is very big and very well established and has very good connections. So we'll see what happens. This will be the first video. The more views, I'll make more of it. But just the fact that I put that video up 2 days ago and yesterday BlackRock introduced it shows I think I know what I'm talking about. because I do pretty good research. And I'm always speaking my mind. If you like what I say and you like what I do, please give me a follow. Make sure to read my book, Coffee and Cash. A wonderful story about an elderly man that wants to hand over his insurance business to a younger African-American man, again Nigerian. And also I put a lot of the basics of finance, so I consider it an allegory. My other book, which I also have a little bit of finance in, Missing Treasure, which is a murder mystery that I love. There'll be a sequel to that coming out next year. I've written it. I have wrote it. And it's going to be good. All my links are on Risky6877 on my Twitter account to get the free money from Atlas Earth. Great game. Made 166. Makes a video about that. I get my Bitcoin for free from Ollie, L-O-L-L-I. And free Bitcoin. And it works. And again, those links are there. I appreciate you. Have a great day. And put in the comments if you want to have a conversation. And please follow and subscribe. Thank you.